Good morning, students. Welcome to Adimon Metric Higher Secondary School Oothangare online class. Plus 2 English, Chamachir Kalvi, Unit 5, Poem, A Father to His Son, Carl August Sandberg, prepared and presented by A. Venkatesan, Department of English, Part 2. Last class we have seen the father advises his son to be like a hard rock to face the challenges of life. At the same time, if he is gentle and takes life easy, he must have a firm willpower and a deep desire to achieve his goal. He should earn sufficient money to satisfy his basic needs. But he must remember that too much money has killed men and left them dead before their burial. Now let us discuss remaining part 2. Tell him time as a stuff can be wasted. Tell him to be a fool ever so often, and to have no shame over having been a fool, yet learning something out of every folly, hoping to repeat none of the cheap follies. Folly means mistakes. See, time is too precious to be wasted. Only fools waste time. When you seek knowledge, never feel ashamed. At the same time, if you are committed mistake often, learn from your mistake and never repeat the cheap mistakes you have done. That is, learning something out of every folly, hoping to repeat none of the cheap follies. If you are committing mistake often or again and again, you should not repeat the same mistake again. Then, thus arriving at intimate understanding of a world numbering many fools, tell him to be alone often and get at himself. And above all, tell him no lies about himself, whatever the white lies and the protective fronts. White lies refer to lies told to avoid hurting one's feelings. Intimate means familiar. That are the two glossaries in this stanza. Thus, arriving at intimate understanding of a world numbering many fools, that means if he never repeating his mistakes, if he comes to have a close understanding of a world around him with a number of fools, tell him to be alone often and get at himself. And above all, tell him no lies about himself, whatever the white lies and the protective fronts. Do self-analyzing often, that is, be alone sometimes to improve on himself. Do not hesitate to accept your shortcomings. If you are hesitate, you won't achieve anything in your lifetime. At the same time, he must avoid telling lies to protect self against other people. He may use against other people. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong, and the final decisions are made in silent rooms. Tell him to be different from other people. If it comes natural and easy being different. He may use against other people. That is, he must avoid telling lies to protect self against other people. He should be honest always. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong, and the final decisions are made in silent rooms. If he is strong, at the same time loneliness helps him to be a creative. That is, if he is loneliness means if you have plenty of time, mind is free, you should take good decisions. The final decisions are always taken in silent rooms. Tell him to be different from other people. If it comes natural and easy being different. That is, he should be different from other people. He should not be one among the people. He should be unique and different. Then, let him have lazy days seeking his deeper motives. Let him have lazy days seeking his deeper motives. Motive means aims. Let him seek deep for where he is born natural. Then he may understand Shakespeare and the Wright brothers, Pasteur, Paulo, Michael Faraday, and free imaginations. Let him have lazy days seeking his deeper motives. Let him seek deep for where he is born natural. So each one has some inborn abilities or qualities. His son may need lazy days to find his inborn abilities or talents. At the same time, he should seek what he is born for. Then, if he worked hard or he works hard, he should know something about the great thinkers or inventors, writers like Shakespeare, the Wright brothers, Pasteur, Paulo, Michael Faraday. And see, these are the people, they are achievers. The hard work, only the solutions. That is the reasons. Bring changes into a world resenting change. Resenting means that is disliking. Bring changes into a world resenting change. He will be lonely enough to have time for the work he knows as his own. Bring changes into a world resenting change. Resenting means disliking. That is, the pre-imaginations brought changes into the world which dislikes changes. So during such disliking, that is resentment, let him know that it is time for him. That is, if he is lonely, he have plenty of time. His son has plenty of time to take good decisions. Then only he should be able to achieve his goal and work to achieve like others to change the world. So, his son, what this poem clearly explained, if his son works hard, he will be able to achieve his final goal. What is needed? A strong willpower and strong desire is must. Others, then only you should be alone. You should not mingle with other person to take decisions. So if he works, he will be able to achieve his goal. What Bhagavad Gita says, work hard and leave the rest to God. So what is the moral just you have to give for this, a father to his son? Every father should remember that one day his son will follow his example instead of his advice. Thank you, children, for watching this.